If a crowd around you suddenly turns tense, shouting rises, phones go up, people start pushing, will you be the one everybody notices or the one who quietly moves away and gets home? Today I'll show you how to make yourself invisible in a UK crowd using 3 greyman rules. No drama, no cosplay, just boring on purpose, because boring survives. This is educational only. Always follow UK law and lawful instructions from police or stewards. Welcome back to Charlie Survival. Quick context, greyman means blending into the baseline of your environment so you don't trigger attention. It's not about hiding from the police, it's not about breaking the law, it's about moving safely and unnoticed when crowds get unpredictable. Stations after a match, protests, parades, sales rushes, busy high streets on a Saturday. I'll keep this UK specific, practical and calm, respecting private property, stewards and police. If an area is cordoned, don't cross it. If you're told to leave, leave. The goal here is simple. Don't stand out, don't get stuck, don't become a target. The core idea. Your brain filters noise, so does everyone else's. Things that break the pattern grab attention. Odd clothes, loud behaviour, bright colours, mismatched pace, hard eye contact, flashy tech, strong smells. The greyman method flips that. You match the pattern, the local baseline, so you become forgettable white noise. Everything we do today sits on 3 rules. Know the baseline, avoid stimulus, blend with intent. I'll give you the drills, examples and a pocket-sized kit that won't make you look tactical. Know the baseline. Baseline is what's normal now, how people look, move, sound and interact in this place at this time. London Liverpool Street at 8:30 on a Tuesday, dark coats, commuter pace, eyes forward, earbuds in. Cornish seaside town in June. Shorts, hoodies, sandals, slow pace, sandy dogs, fish and chips. Manchester after a home match. Club colours, loud groups, buoyant mood, stewards everywhere. Your job is to notice it and then match it. 30-second scan, pre-entry routine. Before you step into any big space, tube concourse, shopping centre, stadium walkway, do a 30-second scan. Clothes, colours, layers, logos, are people in dark coats, puffers, jerseys, workwear. Pace, brisk commuter stride or weekend stroll. Noise, hush and headphones or chant and chatter. Props, brollies out, coffees in hand, rolling suitcases, pushchairs. Authority, stewards, police, barriers, signage. Say it quietly to yourself. Dark coats, fast pace, eyes down, or bright summer gear, slow pace, brollies away. That phrase becomes your baseline anchor. Micro drill, baseline snapshot, 10 seconds. Lift your phone, open the camera, not to film but to use the reflection. Count 5 things that define this crowd. Dark coats, backpacks, speed, quiet, headphones. Then become that. Baseline traps, what outs you fast. Season mismatch. Big puffer in June, shorts in sleet. Colour clash. Tactical coyote brown in a sea of navy and black. Neon trainers in a formal commuter wave. Bulky noisy bags. Hiking pack with straps and jangly carabiners on Oxford Circus. Gaze mismatch. Curious tourist stare in a commuter field. Learn the soft focus peripheral scan. Practice baseline anywhere. Next time you're in Tesco, a station or on a stroll, silently label the baseline. Matching it should feel natural, not forced. The aim is to look entirely unsurprising for that place. Rule 2, avoid stimulus. A stimulus is anything about you that pings someone's attention filter. Visual, audio, movement, smell, social. Kill the pings, you vanish into the noise. We'll go through 4 big channels you control. Visual stimulus. Colours and contrast default to the local palette. UK urban winter, navy, charcoal, black, olive, charcoal denim. Summer, muted earth tones, nothing overly saturated. Avoid head to toe black paired with tactical cuts. Save that for the gym. Skip shiny fabrics that catch street lights. Choose matte. Logos and graphics. Loud brands, political slogans, niche subculture tees equals instant labels. Go plain or small logo, you're aiming for forgettable Primark basics. even if it isn't. Cuts and silhouettes. Streetwear extremes, ultra baggy, stacked soles or overly tactical molly chest rigs stand out. Pick normal British cuts, straight jeans, simple chinos, ordinary overcoats, standard trainers. Bags. Choose a small common backpack or tote, no patches, no clinking metal. Keep profile flat, cinch loose straps. If you need more capacity, split into 2 ordinary shopping bags. Nothing screams I've got supplies like a crammed hiking pack in a shopping crowd. Headwear. Baseball caps are common, beanies in winter. Avoid niche patches or camo patterns in city centres if the baseline doesn't support it. Umbrellas and outerwear in rain, a plain compact brolly or hooded jacket. Novelty brollies draw eyes, ponchos read out of place in town. Hands. Keep them free and calm. Fidgeting, adjusting belts, touching hidden pockets equals cues. I've spent years testing kit and months putting the items I trust into one place on my Amazon kit list. From home survival to bug out items. I'll put the link in the description. Check it out if you want to level up your UK survival. Micro drill. Do a mirror check or phone selfie. Remove one item. Logo hat, bright hoodie, flatten your bag profile, zip coat. Aim for a smooth silhouette. Audio stimulus. Voice and reactions. Keep your volume below ambient, no big laughs in hush zones, short polite phrases. British default. Some British defaults include sorry, after you, cheers. Silence phone completely, no keyboard clicks, no lock sounds, no ping tones. Device noises. Power bank beeps, walkie static, zipper rasp, all tiny but noticeable. Choose kit that's quiet by design and test it at home. Footsteps. Heavy boots on tiles echo. If you wear boots, soft step. Trainers are ideal in cities. Kinetic stimulus. Pace and path. Match crowd speed. Too fast you jostle. Too slow you're an obstacle. Pick lanes near edges for exits. Avoid dead stops in flow. Posture and gaze. Relax shoulders, soft eyes, chin level. No head-on scanning. Use reflections, shop windows, phone screen off, metal panels. Eye contact. The mall kiosk principle. Eye contact invites engagement. Aim your gaze just past people. If someone looks at you, give them a polite half smile and glide on. Micro drill, pace mimic, 20 seconds. Pick a person 5 meters ahead, match their stride for 10 steps, then naturally drift to your route. You're learning the local tempo. Scent stimulus. Heavy cologne, strong deodorant, vape clouds, fresh cigarette smoke, people notice. Go neutral. Food smells clink. If you just left a curry house, open your coat for a minute outside to air it before re-entering a quiet space. Micro drill, neutralize, 5 seconds. Keep unscented wipes. A quick wipe of hands reduces lingering smells from food or fuel. Rule 3, blend with intent. This is where you use your invisibility to move safely and exit cleanly, without breaking laws, without conflict, and without signaling fear. Movement plans that don't look like plans. Entry, pause at the edge, do your 30-second scan, then merge at the crowd speed. Positioning, edges beat center, near families or commuters feels normal. Avoid the middle of clusters that are loud, masked up, or filming confrontations if your goal is invisibility. Exits. Always hold 2 exits in mind, primary and backup. Up escalator to concourse or side street via the pharmacy. Bottlenecks. Doorways, ticket gates, narrow lanes, approach at 45 degrees. Time your move with the gaps. Don't wedge yourself into crush points. Micro drill, 2 exits rule, 10 seconds. In any new space, point left, point right, name them. Main doors, side alleys, it becomes automatic. The polite British shield, de-escalation language. Tone and word choice are your stealth armor. These phrases keep you forgettable. Sorry, after you. Defers without weakness. Cheers. Ends micro interactions cleanly. All good, mate. Diffuses low-level friction. I'm heading this way. States intent, not a debate. No worries. Closes loop. Pair them with open palms, small nod, slight step aside. You look cooperative, not weak. Ordinary, not argumentative. When energy shifts, spotting early signals. Crowds turn into moments. Train your early warning radar. Phones rise in the same direction, something's happening there. Sound changes from chatter to chants to shouts. Head turn cascades, 10 plus people glance the same way. Line of stewards or police forms, flows about to change. Objects lifted, banners, signals or sadly glass. Your move, Breathe, reduce your profile, zip coat, bag closed, angle 30 to 45 degrees away at the crowd speed, and walk, no sprints, no stare back. If it physically kicks off, crowd safety basics. If density exceeds 4 to 5 people per square meter, breathing and movement degrade. Avoid railings, stages, walls, fixed obstacles trap you. Body shape. Hands across chest like a box, elbows slightly out to protect ribs, chin tucked. Movement. Move diagonally towards space, not straight into the mass. Trip control. Short, shuffling steps. If you drop something, leave it. Falls. If you go down, curl, protect your head, roll to your knees. Stand with one leg under you in one movement when space appears. Children and companions. Link wrist to wrist, no finger to finger. Pre-agree who leads and who follows. Always follow stewards or police instructions during evacuations. They see the bigger picture. Your job is to follow, not fight. Digital invisibility without being weird. Phone discipline. Low brightness, silent, quick checks. Filming confrontations make you part of the scene. Avoid it if your goal is invisibility. Navigation. Pre-download offline maps. No station entrances and alternative exits. Meetups. If you're with someone, set up a neutral rally point far from the hottest zone, like Topshop Corner, northbound bus stop, third lamppost beyond the bridge. Again, this is personal safety and coordination, not about evading lawful authority. Clothing and kit that reads normal UK. Pocket size grey kit, UK legal, low profile. Slim power bank plus short cable, no beeps. Plasters and alcohol wipes in a tiny sleeve. A couple of pain tablets if you use them. Flat water pouch or 330ml bottle. One energy bar in quiet packaging. Some tissues. Cash, 10 to 20 mixed notes and a pound coin. Mini torch, button top EDC, low lumen start. Contactless card or Oyster card and ID. Everything should fit comfortably in pockets and the smallest compartments of your bag. If it bulges or clinks, it's wrong for grey. Avoid anything that could be classified as a weapon. UK laws are strict. When in doubt, don't carry it. Social camouflage, how you read to others. Micro chatter. If someone bumps you, my bad, cheers, then move. Props. Coffee cup, folded shopping bag, a receipt. Simple props telegraph ordinary errands. Pairs versus solo. Pairs feel safer and draw less security than anxious groups of 5. If solo, earbuds in, even if silent signals, not looking for interactions. Practice drills. Tesco run drill. Enter, do your 30-second scan, name the baseline, match it. Reflection scan. Use shop windows to monitor behind you without head swivel. 2 exit habit. Every venue, pub, cinema, station, you should be able to point 2 exits within 10 seconds. Make it a game. The more you practice under calm conditions, the calmer you'll be when it matters. What not to do. Don't wear protest slogans, rival club colours or loud niche branding if your aim is invisibility. Don't argue with stewards or police if told to move, move. Don't rubberneck fights, curiosity is a magnet. Don't sprint, controlled pace looks confident and keeps you safe. Don't cosplay as staff or emergency services, it's illegal and dangerous. Don't overload with tactical kit, you're going for ordinary. If this helped, tap like so more people see it. For my low profile UK everyday kit, nothing tactical or normal, check the description for my Amazon kit list. Subscribe and turn on notifications so this channel doesn't get hidden from you. Now you've made yourself invisible, it's time to make your home invisible. I highly recommend watching this video next about how to do that. Stay calm, stay kind, blend in and get home safe. See you in the next one.